Hey guys, we are ready to do another journal entry today. So, in a little bit, you're going to need your alphabet chart, your journal, your pencil, and your crayons. But before we get started with our journal entry today, I want to read you a book. The name of this book is Tuesday. I'm going to turn to the title page. Tuesday by David Weisner. Now, I want to see if you notice something while we read this book. Tuesday evening around 8. Do you notice that I'm not reading any words? The person who made this book, David Weisner, is using illustrations or pictures to tell his story. Can you tell from looking at the pictures what is happening in the story? 11:21 p.m. I don't know what I would do if I saw flying frogs. Oh no. I see they're going in somebody's house. Oh my goodness. I didn't know frogs like to watch TV. 4:38 a.m. That dog looks scared, doesn't he? Oh no, they can't fly anymore. I can look at the picture and tell how they feel about that. How do you think they feel about not being able to fly anymore? Next Tuesday, 7:58 p.m. Now who can fly? I like that story. It's very funny. And even though the author did not use words, I can still tell what's happening in the story. And we're going to be doing the same thing in our journals. Right now, we're learning about words and how to use words in our writing, but we don't know a lot of words yet. We're just beginning. So we're going to use pictures to help tell our stories just like that author did. Now, remember last time I wrote on the first page, and remember I told you that we're going to do one page every day. So today I'm going to turn that over, and right here on the back of that page, this is the page I'm going to use today. This is my page. Remember, the first thing I do is write my date the short way, 9 for September. We have had 8 days in September and a 20 for 2020, 9-8-20. My picture goes up here in the blank spot and my words go down here. And today we learned that we can really use pictures to tell a story. Even if you're not feeling comfortable using a lot of words and sounds, your picture can tell a story. So I am going to tell you a story about what I did this weekend. And I'm going to use my picture to tell that story. Let's see. This might not be my best picture I've ever done, but I'm trying. And that's going to be the same way with your pictures. You're trying. Let's see. Here I am. Ooh, I like to wear my hair up in ponytails sometimes when it's hot. My neck goes on my head and then my body. I'm going to wave to y'all. Oops, I need two legs. Let's see. Let's make that one right there too. There's my other leg. Can you guess where I am? I'm at the pool. I went to the pool this weekend. I like to go to the pool when it's a holiday, Labor Day. My kids actually work at the pool. Both my sons are lifeguards. So I'm going to add some color to my picture with my crayons, and you can too. I'm just going to add just a teeny bit because I don't want you to have to sit here and watch me draw. Let's see. Maybe I'll add some blue for the water. And if I was not just showing y'all this, if I was working on my journal, I would add lots more color. So I went to the pool, and I'm going to use my pictures to tell you more about my trip to the pool. If I can find where I laid my pencil, there it rolled under my journal. Let's see. At the pool, I was in my inner tube. So I'm going to draw my inner tube because part of the time I got in the water in my inner tube. And at the pool, I like to have an ice cream cone. So I'm going to put an ice cream cone right over there. It would actually probably need to be in my hand or it would be melting. And let's see. I also want to tell you at the pool, I like to talk to my friends. Some of my friends come. So let's see. I'll put one of my friends right here. We'll be talking to each other at the pool. There she is. We'll just have her kind of sitting there. She'll wave to y'all too. Hey, Miss Crafts class. I'm so glad to see y'all. So I used my picture to tell my story. I put a lot of details in my picture. You know that I got in my inner tube. You knew I was at the pool. You knew I like to talk to my friends and have an ice cream cone. And you can do the same thing. You can put a lot of details in your picture, even if you're not feeling ready to use a lot of words. Now, I am going to use some words. I'm still going to try, even though I was telling my story with my picture. I am. Oh, I'm going to listen to my sounds. Apple. Like moon. I am at. Let me hear the sounds I hear in at. Ooh, I hear apple, at, like turtle. Let me put my T. I am at the. That is a hard word. It's going to be a sight word. We're going to learn it. THE. If you don't know a word, that's okay. Remember, you're using your sounds. You are not asking someone to spell it for you. I am at the pool. And I'm just going to do the sounds I hear. If I don't hear all the sounds, that's okay. I'm just doing my best. And that's what you're going to do too. So today in your journal, I really want you to work on telling your story with a picture, just like the author of our book, Tuesday, did. We can tell a story even if we don't use a lot of words. But I do want you to try your best to hear your sounds and write some words. I can't wait to see your journals. We are going to be such great writers this year. Have fun.